Only when you get a job, when you share that with other people, they tell you congratulations, good luck, best of luck, all the best, and they wish you luck. So what does you understand with this? Do you think you are just doing some paper transaction from one party to another party, or you are participating in a higher vibration that is related to a positive emotion? So now you got to understand, you are the way, you are the bridge between connecting to the person who desiring from the whole heart where exactly the universe wants that person to go, and know you are the bridge. Now you got to understand. So now when you look at your own things, when you get yourself selfish targets, and you are the hindrance between the universe and the person's desire, now you have to align yourself. You are given an opportunity to contribute to the universal cause, and now you are being obstacle to this cause due to your own selfishness, or you do not understand how this works. Now when you understood it, that you are the contributor and you have given an opportunity to connect both of these, you have to do nothing. You have to do nothing. But if a person desires from its heart and the universe is trying to give it through you, you will get it. And someone is not getting a job through you, it means that that is not a perfect job for that person, and universe did not want that person to go through you. Simple as that. So now you need to open your mind, and you have to be bridge. You have to be bridge for every person who ever wants to get in, and you are just taking them from one path to another path. Forget about who is staying here or not, because that part is the universe is taking care. So once you understand how the energy vibrations and the emotions work together, then you will understand the job that you are doing, that is just not a mere calling, screening, submitting, but it is a bigger thing that is happening in the back end. So when someone is needy, someone is looking for a job, someone has lost a job, someone needs to pay bills, and someone has to pay school fees, you understand what kind of pain and pressure they are in. Now their intensity of getting something is pretty higher than you have. So now you have to get your intensity to help people through you. Then what happens? The universe connects you to the candidate, and it connects the client with you. Because there is some other recruiter who is sitting there with an open heart and wants the candidate to get a placement, and the clients are going to that person with the universal guidance, and that's the reason they are getting the requirements, they are placing it. You are just playing around with the submission, and that is not what the universe wants, because you are playing with an emotion. And now when you take this person's emotion and stop it at your submission level, you are not justifying to your job, neither to the divine cause. Now you got to look at it from that level. Now the moment you open your eyes, when you wake up, you will come with intention that yes, you are there to help people who needs a job from the core of their heart. And when you start working, the universe will work with you, because you are helping the universe achieve its goal. And by default, you are going to get your goal. So now start aligning yourself from within and help people who are emotionally asking to get into their livelihood, and your client will get you the requirements. Just do this for a month and tell me. Thank you very much.